Well, welcome out to the shop again. Today we're pulling rivets on the 750 cruZer, and just to show you an example of how difficult this is, I've got Levi here to explain it to you.
It's not really that difficult, but if you have a screw standing up in the last one like this, let's say you put this one in and then you have like a screw standing out, you want to do this to push it back in. But first of all, if you get something like this that's sticking out like that, you want to wiggle to get it to go in. And first of all, you want to line that up right there, and then push the trigger. And see how I have one standing up right there? Right there, a screw standing up. Or push it in.
Alright, you've seen how difficult that was. If you like this video, check us and want to see more about the 750 cruZer, you can check us out at Facebook, AK750 cruZer, and while you're there, give us a thumbs up.